Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make small batch brownies. This simple recipe is perfect when you crave a rich, chocolatey treat without making a huge pan. You'll only need a few basic ingredients, like 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and just 1 egg yolk. We'll also use 1½ tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create 2 delicious brownies. First, melt your 2 tablespoons of butter, then whisk in the 1/4 cup of sugar and the single egg yolk until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Next, sift in the 1½ tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and a tiny pinch of salt. Gently fold these dry ingredients into the wet mixture until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Finally, pour your rich batter into a small, greased 4-inch by 6-inch baking dish or a mini loaf pan, ready for the oven. Now it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your small baking dish into the preheated oven and bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. The edges should appear set, but the center will still be slightly soft. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the middle. It should come out with moist crumbs attached, indicating a perfectly fudgy brownie, not raw batter. Once baked, the hardest part is waiting. Let your brownies cool completely in the pan for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows them to set properly, resulting in that desirable fudgy texture and making them much easier to slice without crumbling. Once cooled, cut your 2 perfect brownies into squares. Enjoy them warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, or simply dusted with a little extra cocoa powder for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.